Hello you guys, my name is Miriam. Welcome to the very first video of this channel. Sorry I'm whispering. I just put my kids to bed so I can finally make this video and talk to you guys all about it. So I did decide to do a kind of like a DIY slash design channel, just to share my experiences and things that I'm interested in, things that I'm going to be doing in the near future. My husband and I did just purchase a home that is kind of on the old side, so it needs a lot of TLC, which is just perfect for us. So we are going to be able to make it our own and make it look exactly how we want it to look and fit our style. So as we touch every room and update every little parts of the home, I will be recording just to show you know, what my taste is and things that you guys can also do yourself if you are decorating or redecorating or whatever it is that you're doing, that you'll be able to see. And I also share my ideas. I don't believe in buying anything that you are capable of making. I don't know, that's just my thing. Call me cheap, but yeah. So I will be doing a couple of projects that are going to be for the home also, so I'll show things like that as well. If you guys are from our family channel, thank you so much for transferring over. And if you guys are not aware, yes, I do have a family channel. You should go check it out. It's called the Aiden Family. You'll see a very different side of me in that channel, more relaxed, more of just like hanging out with the family. But this channel is specifically for home design, interior design, and things like that, which I love. So I figured, why not make a YouTube channel about it? I'm also obsessed with YouTube. If you can't tell, I like vlogging, so why not vlog? You know, vlog myself doing what it is I like. You know what I mean? So, but thank you guys so much for coming over to the channel. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, and also drop me a comment, drop me a nice comment, an encouraging comment. This channel also is going to be very positive. I do want to keep positive vibes only, so if you are with the negative, you can hit the door. We don't need your ear. No time for that. But anyway, yeah, so thank you guys so much for coming over to this channel. I hope that you do stay, and yeah, also follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me on Instagram already. I'm gonna put the name right here, at Fine Gal Mimi. I will be posting pictures on there of projects that I've completed as well. So let's just do this together. All right, my husband's coming down, so that means noise is about to start. So yeah, bye.